In today's video, let me teach you on how to fix Gmail notifications not showing on your iPhone. First, check if the Gmail installed in your iPhone. Next, open it and log into your Gmail account. Tap the three lines icon at the top left corner. Scroll down and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings page, tap on the Email Notifications option. Make sure that you've selected All New Email, so all the emails you will receive will pop up or it will show a notification. Next, open the notification sound. Then select the sound that you want to use or hear when you receive a notification. After that, tap the Done button at the top right, and you can close the Gmail app. Next, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and look for the Notifications option. Open it. And here, look for the Gmail app, then open it. Make sure that you've allowed notifications by turning on this button right here. Under Alerts, make sure that you've enabled the sounds and badges. Also, make sure that the Announce notification is turned on. After that, go to Notifications and look for the Mail app, and then open it. And here, check if the Allow notification is enabled. Also, the badge is enabled. Once done, then you can try to restart your iPhone to reboot it, and then check if you can now receive your Gmail notifications.